Hey, Bugle School crew, Matt here. Tonight we've got a California traffic stop that went from routine to chaos in seconds. You're about to see why this footage is going viral on social media, and tempers are flaring everywhere. On April 1st, 2025, Patterson, California. A deputy pulls over Joshua Rhodes for running a red. Rhodes refuses to cooperate, calls 911, and it escalates. Fast. Body cams rolling for every second. Check it out, like and subscribe. I'll holler at you later.
Shot fired, 147 Maple Street. Requesting backup.
This video features our exclusive Red Zone dual camera visual experience only at Bugle School, where we've got every angle on all the action.
Evening. Deputy Allen Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop tonight is because of the red light you just ran on Del Porto right here, okay? Do you have a license, registration, proof of insurance? What was the purpose of going through the red light? Huh? I can't understand you, dude.
I live right here. You can look up the registration on the computer.
You have the insurance?
No.
Are you still in?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No? What's your current address?
Right here.
What is it? Can you speak up, please?
The street we're on right now?
I'm asking for mailing purposes for your citation.
Well, I just told you.
I'm just confirming it with you, okay? I don't understand why we gotta have an attitude right
I
now.
have accent.
You do.
Perfectly fine.
You
say
clearly
you can't
do.
hear me. You hurry up, go about your business, man. You tripping.
You're on probation or parole?
You can look up all that. Since you think
Okay,
I'm on
this
probation.
can go either one of two ways. Number one is you can just be respectful and we can move on with our business.
That you can look it up.
Yeah. And that's being disrespectful.
So
you could just answer the question either yes or no.
Hard time.
How am I giving you a hard time? I'm asking you a simple
You
question.
can look it up.
Are you on probation or parole?
Why I gotta be on that?
I'm asking you. I ask everybody that I
Look that shit
contact.
up then.
Why? I don't understand why we got an
Why
attitude.
don't you just do your job?
I am going to.
Okay, great. Give me my fucking ticket and go about your business.
Okay. Do you have an ID, ma'am?
Don't say nothing to him. You ain't gotta say shit to him. You ain't driving?
Let me see your ID, please.
Bro, just do your job, get a ticket.
Don't tell me how to do my job.
You ain't call your supervisor then.
Nope.
What?
Let me see your ID, please. You're not wearing your seatbelt in the car.
I just got home from work, man. I don't have my ID.
Huh?
I just got home from work.
You don't have it on you?
No, I don't have my ID.
You are not calling. Are you really calling 911 right now?
Yeah, call your supervisor then.
Why are you calling
Call
911?
your supervisor.
Get out of the car.
I'm at 620 C Street and I'm
Patterson
being
321.
pulled over.
Send me
and
1011.
I'm asking for your supervisor and the officer.
Hang up the
that's
phone
on
now.
You hear him right now?
Hang up the phone or you're going to be placed under arrest.
For what?
For misuse of 911. Hang up the phone.
I'm asking for your supervisor.
Hang up the phone right now.
Do you hear your officer? He's trying.
This is the dispatch center, sir.
Yeah, but I need help though. I don't feel safe.
Okay, and where are you located?
I'm on 620 C Street. Patterson,
321. Just for info, male is uncooperative in the car, and he is calling 911 at the moment right now.
All right, I need help, please now.
All right, goodbye.
Okay, I'm not gonna step out of the car.
I don't have to.
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
For what?
If you don't step out of the car, I'm going to place you under arrest.
For what?
For disobeying a
I
lawful
don't
order.
know you don't. I don't have to put. I don't have
If
to
I'm
put
telling
nothing-
you, I'm giving you a lawful order and command to
You
step
don't
out of the
have no
vehicle right now.
reason. You don't have. All you gotta do is give me my ticket. You don't have to do all
Nope.
this stuff.
You're
Yeah,
act- you know what?
all right. I asked for your supervisor. They're all coming right now.
Either you can step out of the car,
Well, wait till they get
or I'm
there.
going to take you out of the car, and you're going to
Why?
be taken to jail
Why? Wait
for
till-
disobeying my lawful command to
You're
exit the
tripping.
vehicle right
You're
now.
Tripping. No, no. I wait till your supervisor.
Okay, you are under arrest.
You can't
Step out
do
of the car.
that, sir. You can't open the door.
You're under arrest.
You
Step
can't
out of the
open
car.
the door, sir.
What?
You can't open the door.
For what?
Do not do that,
415,
sir.
step it up.
For
Step out of the car
For
now.
what?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're under arrest.
Open
For
my
what?
door without the permission.
Step out of the car. You're under arrest.
Not open the door.
Step out of the fucking car. You're under arrest.
Why did you just leave him?
Let go of me.
What the fuck
Let go of
is
my
wrong
fucking
with
arm.
you? Hit him, you hit me, and you getting in trouble. Hit
Step
me
out of
too.
the fucking car now.
Hit me too.
He just attacked me for one reason.
No, he just slapped you in the face twice, and I got it all on camera, so good luck, buddy. I got it all on camera. What the fuck you doing? Nah, don't even hit him, bro. No, bro. What the fuck, bro?
Don't fucking grab me.
You attacking me for what? For what?
Let go of me.
Dude, why are you snatching him? Why are you pulling him? Nah, bro.
Get out of the car now. You're gonna get tased. Get out of the car now. You're gonna get tased.
Stop!
Freak you on.
What are you doing? You just shot me too, motherfucker.
Get out of the car now.
You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now.
You're getting fired. You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now. You are under arrest. Get out of the car now. You're under arrest. Put spike strips under his tires now.
Nah, bro,
Hurry.
you're getting fired.
Get out of the car now. You're under arrest.
You're getting fired, bro.
Get out of the car now. You are under arrest.
Nah, bring out your supervisor.
Get out of the car now. You're under arrest. Step out of the vehicle now. You're under arrest. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground.
Why y'all do this?
That's on camera.
Detain her. I got him. Detain her.
I can keep my phone off the wall. Nah, don't take my phone.
Do not fucking stay away from me.
I got it all on camera. Nah, give me my phone, bro. It's fine. I have an uncle that's a lawyer. He's gonna.
Pretty good. We got two detained now. Go ahead and start
I
running for
want to make sure I
153.
have my belongings.
hand.
You get 10:35.
I have no right.
Sit up on your butt. Stand up.
After being taken to the hospital for booking clearance, Joshua Rhodes challenged Deputy Helms to a physical fight on the way out. It's not exactly a recommended strategy, but it is, objectively, pretty hilarious. Here's the footage.
If it was one-on-one, you took off all that right here, and you thought, let's punch each other in the face then. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept?
No, that's
'cause
not
you a
what I
bitch.
want to do with you.
Exactly.
This is not what I want to do at all.
No, that's what you want. You want to do
I don't
that?
know why you'd want to do that with
Because
me.
you punched me in my face.
That's
Now I
not
want
right.
to punch you in your face.
Okay.
You want to attack me, so let's fight. Take your right. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept? No, because you a bitch.
Are you asking me that right now?
Because you a bitch.
Are you asking me that right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take off
Face the
the
car.
take off the handcuffs and do
Face
you
the car.
legally challenge? Exactly. Like, bro, you act all tough when nobody around, but when shit gets
Is anybody
real,
around right now?
Can
Am I
we at
acting
the
tough with you
hospital?
right now?
Cause it's lights. It's people around. When there's nobody around, you tough and you a whole nother guy. Your whole demeanor changes.
Okay.
Here's the breakdown. Rhodes faces several charges, like resisting arrest, obstructing an officer, and battery. His girlfriend was charged with obstruction simply because she was filming the incident. The local sheriff's office is still reviewing the body cam footage, but you're not here for legal analysis, you came for the chaos. You're here for the raw takedowns, the heart-pounding police confrontations, and all of the epic fallout. And I hope this encounter didn't disappoint. Let me know your thoughts. Smack that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cases that raise your blood pressure. Let's keep peeling back the layers. See you in the next one.